Man, I can't YouTube live yet, but I am so glad that I get to hit this record button at least. Look at those koi fish. Beautiful butterfly koi in the aquaponic system here. And I've got some okra plants that are putting on some beautiful. And look at this. This is year round. I'm making this okra year round. And I can harvest these cucumbers. Oh yeah. If you want to know more about aquaponics, check out my playlist, Aquaponics. Several videos there. You can click on any of them and check out what I've been growing for the last year. Jalapenos, basil, beans. I bet I've got a couple beans over there too. I'm going to go get some. There's water fern, azolla, or that's actually duckweed. Aquatic animals love duckweed. This is my aquaponic system. Oh no, I know I've got some beans in here. Oh yes. Look at this. It's not really large, but it's good enough for me to eat. Man. Oh, broccoli. Even the leaves taste like broccoli. Tomatoes. That's kale. Kale looking beautiful. Oh, there's another bean. I will teach you how. If you want to know how to build an aquaponic system, how to operate it, how to supply it with the nutrients, how to size the grow beds to the fish tank ratio, feed conversion for the fish, how much to feed. Look at these roots. Harvested some plants and I put the roots inside of the fish tank because most fish, just like butterfly koi, love roots. Roots are healthy, so they'll eat that. And then you have duckweed. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you come back. Stay healthy, stay happy. Enjoy this day.